Artie McYardie here with another one. Hey folks, today we're getting out the hopper and we're pumping air in those tires. This one here is called the YardStar and the tires take 30 psi each. Check out my pump by a Ryobi. Battery, portable, and you set the psi and it stops right at the setting. Pretty cool. So folks, today we're going to throw down some insect killer by Sevin. This one is an all-purpose. I like it a lot because it kills over 100 different kinds of insects, including someone brought up chinch bugs. You got your ants, aphids, armyworms, fleas, ticks, beetles, cutworms, Japanese beetles, chinch bugs, caterpillars. The list goes on, folks.
There's pineapple shrimp, lemon shrimp, shrimp soup, shrimp stew, shrimp salad, shrimp and potatoes.
Sorry, I had to pause for a moment because I came across a pretty scary snake. Take a moment, observe. This is why you want to always wear PPE. Shoes, closed toe, preferably pants. Yeah, not pruning today. No sir, I am not pruning those hedges today. Alright, now that we're done with that, let's throw down some SoilFit. 803. Let's get to it.